back everyone, I'm Kalani. Welcome to the Ukulele Club channel. And in this video tutorial for ukulele, I'm going to be showing you how you can do the Island Strum. And you can play this in lots of songs. So we're going to learn the basic up and down, downstroke, up or downstrum, upstrum rhythm pattern for the Island Strum. I'm also going to show you how you can incorporate some of what are commonly called chuck strum or chunk or muted or whatever. There's lots of names for it, but it's basically just that sound, or you can even do a string padding sound, percussive sound. And I'll show you both ways. There's ways to make it easier and there's ways to make it more challenging. So I'm going to give you all of that right now. So what is the Island Strum? The Island Strum is that's a colloquial term, just a common term for this strum, which is a popular strumming pattern. Sounds like this. And let's learn the basic rhythm, basic pattern. So slow it way down. First I'm going to use downs and ups, and then I'll count it so you can put it into a one measure numerical beat system like 1 and 2 and. But first we're just going to do the easy down and up strokes, right? So repeat after me or say this with me. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. It might help if you actually do this too. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. And when I teach strumming to my students, I often have them just strum muted strings. You know, you can do it open, but for the more percussive effect, you can also do it with muting the strings, just so we're not focusing on left-hand chording at all right now. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Also, if you have a class of ukuleles, it'll be easier to hear yourself talk and other people too, if you have to give instructions or make modifications. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 4, and 1, 2, and 4, and. Here's a quiz. What main beat are we not playing on? 1, 2, and 4, and 1, 2, and that's right, it's 3. So let's practice this. If you have an ukulele out, or even if you don't, you can practice on your arm. Let's do the Island Strum now. 1, 2, here you go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. Just do there. I'm going to do that again. I'm going to add in a little hit, chunk, whatever you want to call it. Here we go. 1, 2, here we go. So that one was on beat 3 actually, so I'm filling in beat 3 with a little, so you can try that chuck, and I've got other videos and a lot of other teachers have videos on how to do that, but here's an easier way to do it, and that is, we're gonna put this back onto the pattern in a second, but that is just to tap the strings. Just do that. It's fine. You don't have to do a strum with an immediate mute after it. You can, it's a different sound. But this one is fine. So let's do it, let's put that pat, we'll call it, on beat 2. All right, so you can experiment with that. Take it from here and experiment. Put the pat or chuck or chunk on beat 2, on beat 3. You can put it on 2 and 4. There's lots of different ways you can play this, all right? And for more, you can visit me at kalanimusic.com. You can go to my other channel for drums and percussion at World Drum Club, and you can get the ukulele multimedia teaching resource at teacherspayteachers.com. Ukulele Club. All right, I'm Kalani. I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already.